Yo, yo, yo. How's this going? It's actually my first time streaming in a long, 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 long time. Ooh, okay. I can show you my chat messages here. Oh, that's fun. Let's just double check that this is actually streaming somewhere. I won't be surprised if it isn't. Probably takes a bit of time to. Oh, there. Okay. So it's been a while since I streamed, right? And today I came across this Instagram reel that reminded me to stream some stuff. So put some nice jazz house music. Why not, eh? Why not? It's going to be some building something again this time. So let's see what we can build today. I've been toying with an idea, and that's why I'm doing this. And I've made my cup of tea. Nothing's as good when nothing's better. What was I trying to say? Nothing's better without a cup of tea. No, nothing's better with a cup of tea. Oh no. Everything is better with a cup of tea. Ha. Finally. Okay. So, what do we want to do? The idea that I have for today is to build like a tool that makes it easy for me to do machine learning stuff. Now, what does machine learning stuff mean? I'm thinking maybe training a model and then maybe deploying a model. Not going to go that far today, but maybe I can take a stab at the whole training side of things, and then eventually orchestrating the model, um, and then managing all your model pipelines, all using natural language. So toying with the idea where hey, what if there's a world where like you can talk to some agent in the future, and you say, hey, build me a model that does this, and then the agent goes builds it, and then you can say, serve this is my budget, and the agent serves that model, and then you can go, hey, manage this along with the rest of the models I have. And right now you're thinking about it as three different commands, right? But what if there's a future where it's not three different commands, but it's basically one agent that is running in the background, that's doing stuff, managing your models, blah blah blah. So yeah, that's where my head's at today. And imagine that future, right? Like where an agent can build, manage, deploy models, but then uh, what would it actually be like? It'll be just like ML models building ML models, right? LLMs building LLMs. Or yeah, I need to do this highly specific task. I don't have anything available with me to do that highly specific task. Let me go build something to do that highly specific task, and then go ahead and build it. So this is getting meta, but that's where my head's at. And so the idea is this, right? Vibe, like just like vibe coding. What if you could vibe MLing, for the lack of a better word? Let's see what it could look like. What could it look like? I've been toying with this idea with ChatGPT and Claude and stuff like that. So let me spin up like one of my conversations with ChatGPT, and basically this is the idea I have. Like, what if I could do something like this? Hey, I just want to build something like plan, make a training plan, and then just run it, and then launch it. Now, what it could also look like is, which I think is actually like a nicer way of looking at it, is something like this. So I need to fine tune something on my data set, find the cheapest option and launch it. And then the AI assistant says, "Hey, I'll help you fine tune, blah, 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 blah." And then it uses something. So the idea over here, so you see all the sky, right? The sky stuff. So the idea over here is to work with things like um, a tool like ChatGPT. There's a tool called Skypilot, which I've used in the past, which I absolutely adore. The tool is like a pretty cool tool to launch training jobs, essentially. So that's the goal, trying to launch training jobs using Skypilot. So how would that so let's spec out the tech stack. So the tech stack. No, I have complicated life for myself. So tech stack. Tech stack is going to be Skypilot, which is basically this tool that you will. I'll show you here. It's one of my favorite tools to launch training jobs because it's this is a problem that's been undersolved by the community, and these guys are just solving it and like going ahead and like solving every aspect of it. So happy times. Basically, Skypilot. Where can I show you quick start? Yeah, it says, "Hey, I want to do some training over here." What is it? Yeah, and it does some training on some cloud, right? So the idea, I want to take this particular example of Skypilot Onslaught and see whether I can actually do something with it, right? So I think this is a nice enough example to do stuff with. So I'm just checking out if there's like people and stuff on the chat. So it doesn't look like there's many people logged in. So I'm just gonna continue doing what I'm doing. Okay. So that being said, now let's see how to do this. Okay, let me just take this link. Let me put this in Skypilot. This example from Skypilot, and then so I'm trying to create something super highly constrained, right? What's this? Where? Oh no. What about this Nemo? Nah, not interested in Nemo shit. Fine tuning GPT OSS. This could be interesting. Small model. I just require 8 H100s. And what does it require from my side? I'm going to be live streaming, right? And I'm doing other stuff as well. So forgive me if I'm super distracted. Um, my sister's sending me messages. Ooh, she's making laddus. And I'm going to send her a link to the stream. So that's what's going on the other side of the world. Okay. So I want to get my ducks in order. Let me. Ah, such a shit show. Awesome. So I have my terminal open on one side. Am I ready to terminalify stuff yet? Mm, let's see. Um, am I ready to start working on things, or do I have to think a little bit more? Okay, let me bring up the chat I've had with Claude. And this is what, hey, if I was to create an MCP service for SkyPilot, how would it be? What would it enable? Blah, blah, blah. What this would enable. And then I'm like, did I say anything after that? Hey, I'm interested in Sky Launch because that's the main thing I want to check out. And this is what I want to build with Sky Launch. Um, okay, so it's got a pretty nice spec, right? So let's also add some more details to it. Hey, Claude, no. Um, I want this to be under a larger project called VibeML. I want to be able to. Um, this will be one of the tools. I'm thinking of using FastMCP. What do you think? And then the goal is to train a model. I'm thinking either using the onslaught example or the GPT 20 billion example. So let's give these links back to. So these are the 20 billion example. And then I want to give the onslaught example. GPT 20 billion honestly would be like really cool. Um, uh, as reference to be able to reproduce in this setup. And then I'm also thinking, so let's see, I'm also thinking, let's give this, you're gonna see the true ADHD version of me today. uh, I'm just gonna go in directions unknown to myself. I want. I'm now picking up an icon for the page for my Notion. I want something fun, vibey, Emily. Ah, weird. This is perfect. Free download. Free. Everything's free in this world. Boom. That's a nice icon for this page. Done. FastMCP is great. Okay, so that's a good choice. That would simplify and structure our coding. Oh, it's suggesting I feed that in as templates. Ooh, that might be fun. Fun. Oh, it's just dumping the entire code as well. Uh, sweet, sweet. Uh, make a full project implementation plan. Also, uh, don't go into details around implementation duration, like uh, assume that every task gets immediately instantaneously instantaneously implemented. This is kind of important, otherwise like Claude starts predicting durations for each task, and then it's not just Claude, every LLM, and it just gets annoying because it starts like making complexity decisions by itself. Now we're going to vibe code this whole thing, right? So like it's going to be fast, and it's about time that LLMs kind of know that vibe coding is not the problem here. So let's see. Don't go into details around implementation duration. Assume that every task gets instantaneously implemented. What else? Do um, do call out task dependencies. Um, uh, for the Python stack, assume fast MCP, a UV based project, um, and the MCP server itself would run as a local UV based tool for now, like uh, for the MVP, let's say. And then what else do I want to say? Uh, some project principles. Kiss. Keep things simple, stupid. I'll understand that. That's just tokens I don't need to waste. Solid, extensible. Implement things fully, and then no laziness. Uh, translates into logically smaller files, uh, because of the smaller files. Let's keep abstractions wherever necessary and favor abstractions. Extensible, no laziness. No laziness, because Claude is incredibly lazy, and um, it's worse than me, and that's saying a lot. So, you while I go here. So the idea is I'm going to launch this on RunPod. Oh, I should have said that. Okay. Uh, so the idea is I'm going to launch this on RunPod, right? So meanwhile, maybe I'll just top up my RunPod by a bit. I'm going to do it on the other window. So there's my RunPod. How much do I want to top it up by? Where do I even? Oh, there it is. Add. No. Where? Top up. I don't know. Let's say $50. Hopefully, this is going to be sufficient for the kind of stuff I want to do today. Uh, well, it's a forcing function, right? So now if I refresh, I have $73. Yay! I'm $73 poorer. $50 poorer. Oh, okay. So that's going on. I'm actually going to check out something in the meanwhile. Actually going to bookmark this guy just in case there are people. Meta, meta, meta. Window inside, window inside, window inside, window inside, window inside, window. Oh my god. Um. Okay. Nobody here yet. Cool. So this is going on. Is it going on? No. So I need to set up the stuff. So I'm in a little bit of a lazy mood today. Also, the music is very lazy. Let me create a repo. What would I want to do? I want to create it from scratch. I want to call it Vibe ML. Press it now. Yeah, actually, are there any nice fast MCP cookie cutters? Cookie cutter. Ooh, not liking it. Fast MCP integration, modern Python practices, Makefile, Docker support, Cloud desktop integration for seamless testing with Cloud. That could be fun. Actually, yeah. I'm just gonna use this. I'm gonna cancel this. And I'm gonna be calling this Vibe ML. Oh no. Let me just make it ask it. Could not be found. Actually, if this guy has got this itself as a mistake, there's probably some bug somewhere for this cookie cutter. So let's not, yeah, let's not. A set of tools to vibe with ML. Public. No. 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 Yeah. Let's add. Actually, shit. Public. No. Yeah. MIT always. Perfect. So I have this set up here. You're gonna hate me for how I'm gonna do this. Let me open cursor here. So did Claude come back with an answer? Boom. It's given its stuff. Copy. Let's call it Claude.md. So this is going to be my project spec. It's going to be everything. So let's see. So I'm going to do this kind of thing. Am I going to do this kind of thing? Okay. Let me init UV project init. Create print projects. How can I init inside an existing? Existing. Oh, I can't init. Okay, yeah, I can. So I can just go UV init. This sounds like a shit initialization. Actually, should I respect this guy's? When did he last commit? How many commits has he made? Screw that. So I have this. I have a Pi project at Toml, which is pretty much all I need at this point. Um, Let me set up my IDE over here to do some. Let me get these docs of. Oh, I have UV. Do I have SkyPilot? Let's add SkyPilot to the list. So this is how I'm going to do it, because like Cursor has some nice integrations with documentation, and I don't really have like strong integration with anything else. Actually, this is something I made that I should be able to. Oh, these are documentations. Okay, good. What about MCP? Am I overloading? Oh yeah. I don't need Puppeteer, I don't need Lighthouse, I don't need Figma, Taskmaster, not for now, Superbase, not for now. Context 7 could be useful. I'll leave that in. I have two UVs. Okay. Oh, there's an official. Let me use the official one. Can you fix can you validate my Claude.md? There's no context. This project implementation plan and no, what? This is dumb. Doesn't even say what to implement. Yo, this implementation plan is super insufficient. Where is the necessary context, yo? Yeah. What's what's going on with Claude actually? This time, down. We're only specking the plan. We're not actually implementing it. Phase through is the Sky Pilot integration scaffold. I don't quite agree with it, but dun, 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 dun. Okay, yeah, that's a cool idea. So this is what I had in mind. So we start VibeML. So we build it not particularly as an MCP, but we could turn it into an MCP after testing stuff out. Okay, and these training workflow categories are not actually training workflow categories. Let me see. Couple of comments. The training workflow categories are not supposed to be the only categories to do to work towards. Um, they are examples that I want to use to test if VibeML works as expected. Expected. Do I have fast MCP? Let's add fast MCP. Uh, the two should be UV first. I'm happy to build the fast. So does fast MCP tools? Yeah, I mean I can host it locally, right? So that's okay. Um, I want to prioritize building the Sky. Is it Sky launch? What am I calling it? Um, is it this much I want to build? I want to build the aspect of generating the YAML file and actually launching the job first. Would it be better to use API, SkyPilot API, as a library, or the CLI? First, everything else is post MVP. Um, I'll be using RunPod just in case. Hmm. Why is it not like updating the file? What's its to do? Let's see, four to dos. Ah, there it is. Did it actually update anything? Huh? Claude's performance is degraded over the last few weeks. Huh? Like the autonomy that Claude had within Cursor is just like getting messed up these days. I don't know whether it's a Cursor thing or a Claude thing. Okay, while it's doing that, I've got my run pod ready. Let me install SkyPilot. So let me install it as a tool. So what does it say? I think it's SkyPilot all. Quick start. Just install all integrations at one go. Yeah. Training. Sweet. I think this more or less looks good. Let's see the summary of what it did. Reposition, training workflows, test cases. Okay. MVP focused. Okay. Yeah, perfect. Removed all this bullshit. Sweet. So that's done. Let me actually move this to documents vibe ml.md. Perfect. So now that that's moved, I'm actually going to just kill this entire project. Actually, should I kill? Yeah, vibe ml. And then I just want to rescaffold it with a cookie cutter because otherwise it's. I like this. Do I like this? Do I like this? Do I like this? There was another one I used to. Hypermodern. Yeah. Is this the FP? Or this guy's? Or that guy's? Big dog. Something about this one was something I didn't like. Yeah, let me go with the hypermodern one. I think that's the one I want to do. Quick start. Cookie cutter. Five ml. 5 ml. What's a friendly name? If you care about my email ID, there it is. Copyright year. Yeah, screw that. That was quick. Oh no, I don't like this. I don't like this. Anyway, screw that. I can't over engineer everything. Let's look at that. So let's get in it. Get status. What am I going to Oh yeah, we're calling it YBML again. Of course it didn't work. Sweet. Now let's open cursor up. Let me copy that back here as claude.md. Actually, that sounds good enough. Template system architecture. No, what's going on? I don't like this. Do I need a template? It's a project plan for a new project. Want to start. Don't do I need template system? Laziness is just the way we get Sky Pilot based on cursor. I don't need a custom template. That's what I was always saying. No, 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 no. Based on recommendations. Sky. Yeah, right. You get AI to do the planning. You get AI to do the building. You get AI to do the testing. Just hearing me say that. We actually have one viewer. What? Darcy's life. My laptop is steaming. Steaming. So I'm apparently supposed to. Boom. Okay, what happened here? Am I still doing the GPT OSS one? Ha! I just want to create that, right? Sounds good. Okay, meanwhile, yeah, I just wanted to do this, right? I was halfway doing that. I want to connect SkyPilot with RunPod. What do I need? Obtain your API key. What do I do with API? Oh, do RunPod config. Okay. Bum, bum, bum. Okay, let me get the API key. Do I already have one on my PC? RunPod. Do I have one? No, I don't have one. Okay, going to generate myself an API key. What should I call it? Vibe ML? Extremely risky. Copy this before it's too late. Okay, I think that's fine. I also need the runpod CLI, which I shall install as. Everything is a tool these days. Eh? I love what UV's done to Python. I'm gonna move my window, copy this in. Whoa, big mistake. Big, big mistake. That key is being deleted as I speak. I'm creating a new one. Ah, damn. New created. I'm just gonna do this in a different terminal window and just. Okay. Now that that's done, even if you see this, I don't really care because that key is deleted. Okay, so now that that's done, I need to do this. Let's do a sky check. Sky, not found. Did we not install? Mm. Oh my god. Azure, what did he do? They probably vibe coded this stuff. Mm. Step number one itself is failing. What? Why is it struggling? Okay, let's do this. Quick start. Installation. For sure, I'm doing something kind of stupid. Okay, let's go back. Let's go back. Where was I doing installation? Right, UV to remove sky. Is it remove? No. Uninstall? Yeah. There is. Are you going to again fail? What was it trying to do again? Starting API server. It's probably because of my Docker stuff. Ah, ah. That's why you need an engineer in the house. What it's struggling with? Huh. Do they have a bug? How do you have a bug in your first thing? 20 hours ago. Yeah. What did he change? Hmm. It's failing. Why is it failing? Cool. Why is that failing? Okay, that's okay. I'm just gonna uninstall and install from this branch. Which branch is it? Atmanity Master. Uh, this is going to be a bit complicated pulling from this branch as a tool. Should I just like clone everything? Who is this one viewer? Oh, that's probably me. I'm viewing myself. Okay. So there I have. This is what I'm gonna do to install dot. Will this work? No. What is this server, by the way? Huh. Huh. Kind of cool that they've gone full API mode. This is really cool. Ah. Should have. This brings back memory of when we were trying to build our own training cluster. And SkyPilot wasn't there yet, so we were building tooling on top of SkyPilot, and it was such a pain. But at least, like, better late than never. But the company that I used to work for doesn't exist anymore. Boom. So that's done. So did SkyCheck work? No infra check enabled. What? Wait, I need to see the output again. Ah, let's do UV to add dependency. Ooh, funny. So the dependency. No. Is there a way to add a dependency to a command installed with UE to install with? That's cool. So I just need to do the. Why don't you guys ship run pod with it? Okay, this is getting like kind of annoying territory. Let me go back here. Where was I going? It's going to. Okay. Meanwhile, let me update my cursor. This is why you shouldn't code on a Sunday night. You should just chill on a Sunday night. Oh yeah, we're the right one. Why is it struggling, man? This is probably struggling to do this, right? That's what I did, right? Is SkyPilot broken? What is it struggling? Let's see. I really need to get this. I need to get to the bottom of this. Side quest. New side quest. My sky check command is failing. Can you make me a launch.json to debug this Sky Pilot nonsense? Just do the job, man. Oh, wait. Yeah, it's the right one. Let's go. Side quest. No, 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 no. Wait, did it actually? Will this work? Hmm. Still doing shit. What's it called? It's called CLI, right? How is this debug Skypilot running? Okay, let's see if there's a troubleshooting page. Oh, I'm getting hungry. Why is something so basic like this not working? Maybe I'll just do GCP. But then it's going to cost a lot of money. Run pod. No, Skypilot. Clouds. They added something new recently. Nebius Cloud. Let's see their pricing. $3.79 for H200s, and they're at 3.50. Okay. H100s are 3.07 versus. Oh, they're actually cheaper. I guess. Is there a way to remove your money from RunPod? Oh my god. Well, let's make an account in the meanwhile. Get started. No, let's use GitHub. Why not GitHub? Authorize. Sorry guys, I'm just making an account and I don't want to accidentally share something, so it's on my other screen. Do I have available compute? Do I have? Do they give free something? Nothing free. Damn it. I'm gonna move to US Central 1 because it's always the cheapest one. Create a GPU cluster. Virtual machines. I don't need a cluster. Does it? They're cool. Or EU not one. Cheaper. What? How's that even possible? EU's cheaper than. I guess I'm going EU not one. Okay. I need to sort out my billing, right? Guess I'm spending another few bucks. Where's my phone? Mhm. Yeah, meanwhile, I gotta figure out how I can redeem. Unpause, withdraw. I cannot withdraw. Very clever. So, has an EBS gone through? Okay, I have a balance of 25. Actually, I'm gonna only add more if I get this working. Otherwise, I'm just gonna keep messing with myself. Okay, Sky Pilot, Nebius. Is it this? No, it's this. Why didn't this work? So much work. They don't even have a shipped CLI. Okay, what are we doing here? First, we are removing Sky Pilot and Run Pod. Of course, I know it's not. What? Dumb fuck. Oh, forget my language. Dun, dun. How big is it? No, it's asking me to start a new show. What do you want me to do? Profile create. There should just be like a login. Nebius. It's tricky business. Yeah, I gotta do this. Nice. At least we are progressing with Nebius. Finally, Nebius is enabled for compute. We still don't have storage. Mm, Okay, sweet. Okay, we're going to start this project, right? So, what are we going to do first? Open Claude as usual and dangerously skip permissions mode. No, don't tell me I screwed up the cloud.md. Oh no. I've already generated. Um, some changes we're going to be using. Nebius Club instead of Skypilot, and actually we can go here because Sky was the one that yeah yeah yeah. So I've installed Sky Pilot globally, right, using UV tool. So now the original Sky Pilot should work. So I can go. Yeah, because the path that was not working was like spinning up the local API server, which this other one has spun up, and then using that to check for stuff. So uh, I didn't keep the KISS stuff. Hmm. Um, well, so these dev principles, I keep them in all my projects. Of late, like it's it's been such a annoying thing. Okay, okay. You go. That's a good one. Sweet. So now that is done, we've been able to. Cool. What do you suggest we do now? Actually, MCP. I don't need MCP. Okay, how do I add context 7? Context 7 to Claude. I need to add it to Claude. There's an API key? No. Optional for higher rate limits. Okay. Sweet. There we are. Sweet. Okay, now we have this. You suggest we start implementing. Boom. Here's where the magic starts, right? Is it just going to do it? Yeah, it's doing it. Let's have a look at the directory structure as it does it. Where has it created shit? Nice. IDEO Sky Pilot. Does this project need to. One minute. These guys don't know about the links, right? We need to feed it the links. Oh, I forgot to feed the references. This is what I'll try to reproduce here. Okay, so we got Sky Pilot. We got an example with training, and where's GPT OSS? There it is. Takes it quite slow. Cool. Magic's happening. I think I'm not going to wait to test it today because I'm insanely sleepy. I'm just gonna let the magic happen and then maybe check in with you guys tomorrow. Today you saw the struggle. You really saw the struggle of a lazy me plus a lazy AI engine plus just things not working. But then every day is not supposed to be your day. So